Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today I'm going to be doing my second unboxing of my Allure beauty box. This is a monthly subscription that is $25 a month and comes with a bunch of cool stuff. My husband did get me a 3-month subscription for my birthday, so thank you to him for providing this content. So let's go ahead and jump in to everything that is included in this month's Allure beauty box. So I have not opened this. I've only cut the tape, and let's see if we can do it without spilling. Ooh, someone's face. So inside the box, it always does come with a product guide. So let's move that. And this is what we have. And I can tell you, I have some of this stuff already. That's interesting. And I'm assuming I got it from maybe when I had this subscription before or possibly another one. But this shampoo and conditioner set. This is from Nature Lab. It is a Japanese brand. And this is the Perfect Smooth shampoo and conditioner. It's got color protectant. It's paraben free. I actually quite like this. I took this on vacation with me recently, either when we went to the mountains in May or when we went to the beach in June. I don't really recall, but I really did enjoy them. So I do have some of those left, and I'll definitely get some use out of these once those are gone. They definitely leave my hair feeling really clean, but not stripped. And I really like the very nice, refreshing citrus scent. So kind of excited about that. This is going to be new to me though. This is by the company Able Skin London. This is the Anti-Aging Retexturing Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. Okay, I'm down for that. This is a nighttime moisturizer, and I'm very interested. What does this claim to do? Let's check our handy product guide. I almost said handy dandy product guide because we've been watching a ton of Blue's Clues lately. The girls, whoa, sorry. Wow, so it also includes like the retail value of this product. I don't know if this is a full size or not. I'm thinking it quite possibly could be. It's 1.69 fluid ounces, and this retails for $132. What? Okay, what does this do? After a long day, this treatment feels so relaxing. It's a joy to apply. The lotion feels soft and light going on. Makes my skin look dewy on the spot. Shea butter and cottonseed oil keep my complexion hydrated the next day. Niacinamide helps calm occasional redness that I get around my nose and cheeks. That I am definitely in want of. And lactic acid is great for gentle exfoliation and brightening skin without irritation. Yeah, actually down for that too. Formula sinks in quickly and moisturizes as well. Okay, wow, I'm super interested to give this a try because $132, that's expensive. Wow, okay. Moving right along. We also have this from La Roche-Posay. This is definitely a sample size. This is not in English. Oh, here we go. Pure hyaluronic acid. Okay, so let's see. This is what the little container looks like. So I'm interested to try that. I do enjoy hyaluronic acid, but I feel like it's in so many products now that I don't honestly think that I have a need for a standalone serum, but I'm happy to use it and see what I think of it. We do also have from Allure, this is the Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. I know I have some sample sizes of Allure products, but I don't think that I have this one. So this will be fun. I like masks, even though I almost never use them. Apply a thin layer to face, let it sink in for 10 minutes, wash away, and pat dry. Seems simple enough, so let's see if I actually do it, but I am interested to give that a try. And then we also have two makeup products in here. This is from Winky Lux, which I actually kind of like most of the things that I've gotten from them in the past, although I've only ever gotten their products through subscriptions. So this is an eyebrow pencil. It is the Universal Brow Pencil. Oh, it's got kind of that wedge teardrop shape to it. Let's see if I can open this baby up and we'll take a look at it and swatch it out. As you probably know, I'm currently panning an eyebrow product from It Cosmetics. So, yep, definitely has a teardrop shape. But what I do like is that even though it says that it's a universal shade, that looks nice and dark. One of the problems that I tend to have, ooh, that's a stiff. Oh, that is so stiff. Ooh, my goodness. You're definitely going to be able to draw hair-like strokes because there we go. That is a stiff product. I know that a lot of you out there have mentioned that you don't prefer the It Cosmetics brow power because it pulled out eyebrow hairs and it was just kind of difficult to use. This is considerably stiffer than what that is. So it does have a spoolie on the other side. I really like the packaging. I like the tone of it. It looks like it has a little bit more of an ashy tone, which I personally, on my skin and in my brows, do prefer. Ooh, but I'm a little nervous about the consistency of this. I will have to give that a try. It'll be a little while before I try it because I still have a good ways to go on the It Cosmetics one, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. The last thing in here is in bubble wrap, and it's in a really pretty reflective packaging. I like that. All right, what is this? Ooh, it's from Ciate London, and it is, ooh, it says bronzed. Oh, but it looks like it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay. I am not going to lie. I have not been terribly impressed with Ciate London's eyeshadows in the past. Hold on. Sorry about that. I have not been terribly impressed with Ciate London's eyeshadows in the past, so I'll be very interested to see how this goes. But the palette itself is in this, it's in a plastic packaging similar to the 9 pans from ColourPop. So it looks a lot like that. And then these are the shadows in here. I do like this color story. I mean, it is a pretty standard type of color story for sure. But let's swatch a few of these. They definitely feel quite dry, which, you know, going into the shimmery shades, I would prefer. Oh, well, that one's nice and creamy. Why is the one that I'm most interested in the dry one? It's interesting. Let's do this one down here. Yeah, so let me go ahead and swatch them and then I'll tell you which ones I did. Yeah, there is a massive difference. So you can even see the very first shade on there. You can't even see it. Perhaps it's supposed to be a topper. I'm not sure. I'll have to see if the box says so. But the shades that I swatched were these up here. So this is that one that's really quite dry. And then this is the second one, the third one, and then the fourth one that I swatched for you. So yeah, I'm super bummed about that first shade because I really liked that sort of orangey, pinky gold sort of situation that was going on, but it's super duper dry. Like even when I rub my finger in it again, you can hardly tell. So I'm wondering if perhaps it's intended to be a topper. But even then, it doesn't seem like it does enough. I don't know. I'm possibly being nitpicky. I don't know. But I will definitely give this a try and come back to you with my thoughts at a later date. Because the other shimmers look amazing. I mean, swatches aren't the whole story. We all know that. But these swatches, they look really good. Especially that copper shade, that second one, that looks outstanding. So that is everything that came in this month's Allure Beauty Box. What are your thoughts? I would love to know if you feel like this box is worth $25 because I'm kind of on the fence. So it's going to depend heavily on the Ciate London eyeshadow palette and this thing right here. So you know, the samples of the shampoo and conditioner, I do like it, as I mentioned before, but you know, these are a few bucks each more than likely. You know, this right here, this is a free sample. Totally not jumping into being worth the $25 of the box. The same is true of this right here. Not something that I would pay for. So that really leaves it down to the three. I'm assuming this is a full size. I'll have to do some research. So it's really coming down to whether or not these three things right here are worth the $25 price point. So we will have to see. We will have to see. But I'm very excited to find out. Have you got a subscription to the Allure Beauty Box, and what are your thoughts on it? I would be so interested to know. I love chatting with you guys down in the comments. So let's go ahead and start a discussion. As always, everything that I am wearing on my face will be linked in the description box below. And if you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you will consider doing so. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.